Hello everyone. Today we start our lecture about classification of bones in our body. They can be classified based on their shape and function into four major classes: long bones, short bones, flat bones, and irregular bones. Let's start with the first type of bones, long bones. In green color, as in the diagram. Our humerus bone is an example of long bone. A long bone is a bone that has a shaft and two ends and is longer than it is wide. Long bones have a thick outside layer of compact bone and an inner medullary cavity containing bone marrow. The ends of a long bone contain spongy bone and an epiphyseal line. Second type of bones is short bones. Short bones are shaped roughly as a cube and contain mostly spongy bone. The outside surface is comprised of a thin layer of compact bone. Short bones are located in the hands and feet. Short bones include the carpal bones of the hands that allow movement of the wrist and the tarsal bones of the feet that allow movement of the foot. Short bones are shaped roughly as a cube and contain mostly spongy bone. Third type of bones is flat bone. Flat bones are made up of a layer of spongy bone between two thin layers of compact bone. Examples include the skull and sternum. Flat bones have marrow, but they do not have a bone marrow cavity. Last type of bones is irregular bone. These irregular bones include the vertebrae, coccyx, sacrum, temporal, ethmoid, sphenoid, zygomatic, mandible, maxilla, inferior nasal conchus, palatine, and hyoid. The irregular bones can be affected by infections, trauma, fractures, osteoporosis, and osteomyelitis. This is the end of our lecture. We hope you enjoy it.